middle school classes. Here are my sixth graders, Lanaya and JC, to tell you about how to use web design and how to understand the parts of a computer in order to really be able to use the web in a smart, savvy consumer way. Thanks for listening to us.
Excuse me, I have a question.
My name is Jason Towns. I am in sixth grade at MSL, and I'm a German immersion student.
Hello, my name is Lanaya Pollard. I am in sixth grade at MSL and I am a French immersion student.
In computer class, we have been learning about how computers and the internet work.
Did you know that Google uses 1,000 computers in 0.2 seconds?
Also, did you know that computers and the internet are fairly 9,110 days years old and we still use it? In order to learn more about computers, we have to take one apart.
We're going to show you how, but before we start, you should know that you can only do this with a broken computer as you will invalidate the warranty of your school computer.
First, you need to open the back with a screwdriver, like this. Then, after that, you can see the parts. The CPU fan. The CPU fan cools the computer. You can also see the copper heat sink that draws heat away from the CPU.
These are the power source wires. The power source wires bring power throughout the entire computer.
These are the speakers. The speakers provide sound and are fairly small.
This is the RAM. The RAM is part of the computer's short-term memory.
Under the heat sink is the processor. The processor is mainly called the CPU and is the brain of the computer.
Here's the battery, and under it, you may find the computer connector and the touchpad connector.
It is important to know about the parts of a computer because it helps you understand how they work. And when you get your own computer, it will help you add more memory or other hardware upgrades.
Thank you for listening to our presentation. Does anyone have any questions?
We do have a few questions. So the first question is, what surprised you the most about taking apart the computer?
The one that mainly surprised me is the touchpad connector because mainly computers don't really have that we use fairly today.
Probably like all the tiny parts inside the computer.
Another question we have is, what did you like most about this project?
The most I liked about this project is pretty much just presenting it, just so people to know how computers work and everything's located in a computer.
The part I liked most about this was opening the computer.
And another question we have was, what do you think was the most challenging part of this project?
Most challenging part of this project was reading the script and making sure to look at the camera because kind of iffy if you haven't read the script and some parts are long. So
for me, probably figuring out which parts are which.
Thank you, guys. I appreciate that.
You're welcome.
Here we go. Here we got one other question. How long did it take for you to learn how to work the computers?
Fairly a week, 2 weeks, I'd say, around that time span.
Yeah, same. Not really too long.
And another question is, what made you interested in learning this?
The only reason I was interested in this is due to the fact that I love playing video games. I could code my own video game, make my own video game, or I could, probably get a job for basic engineering, like for building computers and stuff. So
my mom actually got me interested in this because she says that computers are like the future and she wanted me to learn more about it.
That's great. Thank you, guys. That's all the questions we have right now.
All right. Bye.
Bye.
We will be rejoining the main room in roughly about 30 seconds. So just hang on and we'll all be reconnected.